hear that squeak, that high-pitched squeak. There it goes. You still hear it. Bloody nuisance, fucking Konica Minolta. Anyway, enough about KM. They can go fuck themselves. How big we're going to make this one? Going that size. Or maybe we can go here and make it a bit different, a bit bigger, but not too big. Okay. Okay, let's see what this is we've got. It's really interesting colour-wise, and it's metallic. Get well soon. It's got a really nice message inside. Get well soon. The world needs you and your smile to light up each day. What a lovely, lovely little message. So let's see what we can do with this to make it look really nice. We're going to move it, and we're going to lift up the corner so we can get the reflective bits to sparkle in the scan lamp. So we're just going to have to move it around. So let's see if that has given the metallic stuff a really nice appearance. Stabilizing image. Please wait. That's typical Konica Minolta if you're not familiar with the shit. Here we go. There, clack. And you can hear the low-pitched squeaking sound. It's terrible. Konica Minolta, terrible. Let's see how this come out. We've made it look nice. Yeah, it looks quite interesting. Not quite as colourful as I was hoping, but you can just see the colours there, and you can see that. So I'm wondering if we're going to do another one, see if we can make a better one, but at least we can see the metallic stuff showing instead of, yeah. So it says basically get well soon. I think we might have accidentally skipped off a lot of the word soon. So I'm thinking maybe we're going to go back to this. That'll be probably a better one. Okay, now we're just going to take it again and move it around. So we're just going to grab the corner again, and we're just going to move it around all sorts of ways. Let's see how that looks, because I want to get the sparkle. I want to get the glittery. I want to see it show off the shininess of the material, and that looks quite interesting. Yeah, you can see that isn't in the right place. It's just gone black. This is not an easy original to make look good as a movement piece like this. I'm going to have to spin it round this time like I normally would, except I'm going to hold it up again and just move it around. So I'm going to use the camera hand here. So we're just going to try and spin it while we're whacking it around, while we're wobbling it. So hopefully this will come up looking good. Not the easiest kind of original to make look really nice. Just wondering if we're going to use this. It's not the greatest as I was hoping, but it might look nice if we can enlarge it on the vertical. So the vertical enlargement might do it some justice. So we're just going to take the card and we're just going to put it aside. It's going to be donated, so it's going to be a donation piece. So someone who's feeling a little bit sick can receive a really nice uplifting message like what's on the card. So I'm wondering if maybe we're going to take a piece out of this. I'm thinking maybe we're going to just enlarge a small section instead of just this. So I'm going to just kind of, it's a tough choice trying to work out how to do this. So I'm just going to put it on the glass like so. But it's an interesting little experiment anyway, so let's see how that looks. And we're gonna go here and so I'm thinking this is the size we're gonna use. We're just taking a section out of it. So let's see if this section looks any good. So the copy density is going to get a little bit darker, but not much. I'm thinking the settings are pretty well good enough, or nearly spot on, hopefully. We'll soon find out. Okay, right, that looks interesting. It's not the greatest piece. I'm wondering if we're going to do anything more, or if we're going to use this, and I think that's going to be the center of our piece. So yeah, it's not as good as I was hoping it would be. I feel like I'm being a bit slack not making another master copy to try, but we'll see. It'll probably look better than I think, because often things look better once they've been assembled as a mirror image. So if I can assemble this as a mirror image, it'll probably look a whole lot better than what I thought. So I'm trying to think what is going to be the center of this. I'm actually thinking that little corner there, not the thumb. So we're just going to put it, this is really difficult, folks, sorry. Trying to work out something like this. Okay, it's those two. And we're going to print off 2 mirrored images. I do wonder if I should have continued improving on the master copy. It's not an easy original to make look good. Okay, out it comes. See how we go and see what it looks. I was thinking maybe the finger would make a good centerpiece, and maybe that would look better as a centerpiece. We'll soon find out. We could always rearrange the pieces and see if the alternative arrangement is better than the original arrangement. So we'll soon find out if that's the case. We're just going to line up these little black triangles, which makes a nice little diamond in the middle. So there, that looks quite nice. I'm actually wondering if we can do something else, or maybe call that one quits. I always like the diamond, so I'm wondering if that's going to be how we're going to keep it. I think that's a tough choice. I think we'll just leave it.